Political parties will be required to file their party statement as far as expenses on candidates is concerned within 30 days of declaration of results, and final accounts by the political parties within 75 days. Media is a friend of Election Commission of India, and we are very proud of it. And therefore, our entire machinery from Election Commission down to the lowest level will be positively engaged and interacting with entire media. We will keep you briefed about our activities, and we will also be very swift in our action and in our response to the news which will be carried by our media. Election Commission has encouraged use of social media. All our COs, all our district election officers are using social media. They have their YouTube, Twitter, Facebook accounts. Election Commission also has a social media cell here. Paid news will be another area which Commission will focus. Press Council of India has nominated members, and we are very thankful to the Press Council, and they will be assisting the Commission in detection and determination of paid news. This time, Commission is issuing another set of instructions. You might be aware that there are some TV channels owned by political parties or candidates, and these TV channels carry out huge publicity of candidates, and they go unnoticed, unaccounted for. And therefore, Commission has issued the instructions that our media monitoring committee at district level will monitor whether these TV channels owned by political parties or candidates are carrying out publicity of their candidates, and such expenses will be included in the expenses of candidates. Commission is committed to achieve higher percentages of voter turnout, and therefore our sweep campaign, voter education program, would be launched more vigorously. Another interesting feature is that the Commission has launched a large number of IT applications to facilitate voters, candidates, political parties, citizens, civil society organization, and public spirited persons. There would be observers, general observers, police observers, expenditure observers, and awareness observers. Commission has ensured the implementation of its transfer policy, and all police and election related officers have been posted as per our transfer policy. However, wherever required, wherever Election Commission feel that officials are acting in a biased manner or in partial manner, the Commission will take necessary action. Commission will ensure level playing field for inclusive, free and fair election by curbing muscle power and also controlling abuse of money. Commission seek cooperation from all voters, from political parties, from candidates, from civil society organizations for compliance of our instructions. The Commission call upon voters to participate in the upcoming elections in an ethical manner and cooperate with ECI. At this moment, Commission would also like to thank all state governments, chief electoral officers, chief secretaries, Director General, Ministry of Home Affairs, our central paramilitary forces, enforcement agencies, and all the officials of the Commission who have assisted the Commission in scheduling and planning of elections. In past 2-3 days, the Commission has been engaged in hectic meetings with all concerned who are involved in the scheduling and planning of election activities, and yesterday evening the Commission has reached the conclusion that our state machineries are in full state of readiness, and therefore we have great pleasure in announcing the schedule to these 5 states. And therefore the Commission would like to share with you the schedule of election to these states. As I mentioned that the Commission generally holds election to the assemblies whose term are expiring together or nearby, and these elections are held together, and therefore all 5 states will go to elections at one go. सभी राज्यों के चुनाव एक साथ कराए जाएंगे. मैं आपके सामने पहले गोवा का शेड्यूल पेश करूंगा कमीशन की ओर से. गोवा में डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 11 जनवरी वेडनेसडे. लास्ट डेट ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशंस इन गोवा 18th January 2017 Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations will be completed by 19th January Thursday. Withdrawal of candidature by 21st January Saturday. गोवा में चुनाव की तिथि 4 फरवरी 2017 सैटरडे. डेट ऑफ काउंटिंग पे बाद में आएंगे. थोड़ी देर आप लोग जस्ट वेट फॉर लिटिल बिट मोर टाइम. हाँ, इसके बाद हम पंजाब राज्य पे आते हैं. पंजाब राज्य का नोटिफिकेशन 11 जनवरी 2017 को होगा. 11 जनवरी 2017 को पंजाब राज्य का नोटिफिकेशन होगा और बुधवार. पंजाब राज्य में लास्ट डेट ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशंस 18 जनवरी 2017 बुधवार. स्क्रूटनी ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पंजाब में 19 जनवरी को बृहस्पतिवार. विड्रॉल ऑफ कैंडिडेचर 21 जनवरी 2017 शनिवार. और पंजाब राज्य में चुनाव 4 फरवरी 2017 शनिवार के दिन. इसके बाद हम एक और छोटे राज्य में आएंगे, उत्तराखंड. उत्तराखंड राज्य में 70 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज हैं. आपको शायद हमने पहले नहीं बताया है, अभी बता देते हैं कि गोवा राज्य में 40 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज हैं और पंजाब में 117 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज हैं. एक चीज़ और भी बताएंगे कि गोवा में 40 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज का चुनाव सिंगल फेज़ में होगा. सिंगल फेज़ इन ऑल 40 कंस्टिट्यूंसीज इन गोवा. इन पंजाब, election to all 117 assembly constituencies will be held in single phase. उत्तराखंड 70 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज इलेक्शन सिंगल फेज में कंडक्ट कराया जाएगा. यहाँ पर डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 20 जनवरी. डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 20 जनवरी शुक्रवार. लास्ट डेट ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशन इन उत्तराखंड 27 जनवरी 2017 शुक्रवार. नॉमिनेशंस की स्क्रूटनी 28 जनवरी शनिवार. कैंडिडेट्स का विड्रॉल 30 जनवरी सोमवार. उत्तराखंड में सिंगल फेज में पोल 15 फरवरी को होगा और बुधवार के दिन. इसके बाद हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट की स्टेट पे आते हैं, मणिपुर में. मणिपुर में कुल 60 असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूंसीज हैं और यहाँ पर चुनाव 2 फेज़ में कराया जाएगा. मैं फेज़ वार आपके सामने पेश करूँगा. द फेज़ 1 ऑफ मणिपुर विल कंप्राइज ऑफ 38 assembly constituency. 38 assembly constituencies. The list is given in the press note. You can please go through it. You can kindly go through it. Date of notification for phase 1 in Manipur will be on 8th February 2017, Wednesday. Last date of making nominations to first phase 15th February, Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations 16th February, Thursday. Withdrawal of candidature 18th February, Saturday. And date of poll of first phase is 4th March, Saturday. 4th March, Saturday.
कितनी सीट्स होंगी सर इसमें?
38.
38 सीटों में फर्स्ट फेज में
38.